wala pa rin consolidated national flood control plan. Sa halip, may kanya-kanyang flood control plan para sa 18 pangunahing river basin sa bansa. Gayunman, 14 sa mga ito ang ina-update na target matapos pagsapit ng 2027. Pakinggan natin yung Secretary Vince Dizon, yung problema, bakit lagi tayong binabaha?
Confirm if that is true, that we still do not have a national plan for flood control and drainage?
Mr. President, you are correct po. I'm sorry, Mr. Chairman, you are correct, Congressman Shell, that the strategy of the department over the course of the last couple of years, or more than that even, is to have master plans per river, per major river basin. So, wala po talagang consolidated national plan, but it has been done on a per river basin basis. No? So, for example, the Cagayan Valley River Basin, the Pampanga River Basin, the Bicol River Basin, the Cebu River Basin, and so on. No, the Maguindanao, Central Mindanao River Basin. And apparently, when I asked the same question, Mr. Chairman, ito daw po ang recommendation ng ating mga foreign partners to do it major river basin and then also on a per urban center basis, especially for drainage master plan. So you are absolutely correct po. Wala po talagang national flood mitigation master plan.
Yan sinasabi natin noon pa, di ba, Jen? Dapat isang plano lang.
Totoo.
At dahil dyan, dapat kung magbabudget kayo ngayon ng flood control, hindi tagpi-tagpi na dito kami maglalagay. Dapat isang part yan ng buong
Ang talo natin, 25-year master plan dapat yan. Pinakamaikli. At kung sino man ang presidente, dapat susundin yung master plan na yun. Sino mang administrasyon. Dapat ganon.